Hello students, welcome to our SPSPMs. Myself Srimati Pawar MY, Assistant Teacher from Shravanlal Modi Vidyalaya. Today we are going to study Standard 9, Subject English, topic name 4.3, Silver. In this section we are going to take a look at of the following point. First is introduction, second poet information, third stanza explanation, and fourth central idea. 4.3 Silver. This poem was written by the Walter de la Mares. The poem is about a moonlight night. The silvery lights of the moon covers the whole earth and everything on it looks silvery. The poem is very rich in its visual imaginary. First we read the whole poem, then its stanza will be explained. So let's start. Silver. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks the nights in her silver shoon. This way and that she peers and sees silver fruits upon silver trees. One by one the casement catch her beams beneath the silvery thatch. Couch in his kennels like a log, with paws of silver sleep the dog. From their shawty coats the white breastplate of dove in silver feather slips. A harvest mouse goes scampering by with silver claws and silver eyes, and moonless fish in the water gleams by silver rims in a silver streams. Stanza first. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks the night in her silver shoons. This way and that she peers and sees silver fruits upon silver trees. One by one the casements catch her beams beneath her silvery thatch. Couch in his kennels like a log. In this first stanza, the poet describes the beauty of a moonlit night through the poems. He talks about the moon as if it is a woman walking slowly and quietly in the nights. He says that the shiny silver lights of the moon is its show. The reflections of the shiny moonlights in a darkness and turn everything silver in the scenery. The poets beautifully describe how his surroundings appear to be silver in colors. He says that the trees and the fruits on them are silver. The vines beneath the roofs of buildings, which reflect the bright light of the moon, appear to be silver. He talks about a dog sleeping in his kennels and how his paws that are silently exposed to the lights look silver in color. या पहिल्या कडव्यामध्ये कवी कवितेतून चंद्रप्रकाशित रात्रीच्या सौंदर्याचे वर्णन करत आहे. कवीने चंद्राला सावकाश शांतपणे चालणाऱ्या स्त्रीची उपमा दिली आहे. कवी म्हणतो, चंदेरी चमकणारा प्रकाश जणू चंद्राची पावलं म्हणजे चंद्राचे बूट आहेत. या चंद्रप्रकाशाच्या परावर्तनाने सगळीकडे काळोख जाऊन चंदेरी छटा पसरली आहे. त्यामुळे सभोवतालची प्रत्येक गोष्ट चंदेरी दिसत असल्याचे वर्णन कवी करत आहे. कवी पुढे म्हणतो की झाडे व त्यावरील फळे देखील चंदेरी झाली आहेत. इमारतीच्या छताखाली असलेल्या खिडकीवर चंद्रप्रकाश पडल्याने ती देखील चंदेरी दिसत आहे. कुत्र्यासाठी बांधलेल्या घरामध्ये कुत्रा झोपी गेला आहे आणि त्याचे पायसुद्धा किंचित प्रकाश पडल्याने रुपेरी दिसत आहे. Stanza second. With paws of silver slips the dogs, from their shawty coats the white breastplate of dove in silver feather slips. A harvest mouse goes scampering by with silver claw and silver eyes, and moonless fish in the water gleams by silver reeds in a silver stream. In this second stanza, the poets talk about a dog sleeping in his kennels and how his paws that are silently exposed to the light look silver in colors. The dove, birds which sleeps in the shelters, their white feathers also dazzles like a silver under the moonlights. The poet then talks about the harvest mouse which is running around in the streets in the middle of the night. The mouse look like it has silver eyes and silver paw. The water in the streams nearby reflect the moonlights and it appears silver as well. Not just the water but the fish sleeping inside and the long grass growing along the streams also appear to be silvers. The darkness of the light is taken over by the bright and shiny moonlight that turns everything that it touch into silver. ह्या दुसऱ्या कडव्यामध्ये कवी सांगतो की कुत्र्यासाठी बांधलेल्या घरामध्ये कुत्रा झोपी गेला, त्याचे पायसुद्धा किंचित प्रकाश पायावर किंचित प्रकाश पडल्याने ते पायसुद्धा रुपेरी दिसत आहे. त्याचबरोबर पुढे खुराड्यात कबूतर झोपी गेलेले आहे आणि त्यांची पांढरे पंख चंद्रप्रकाशामध्ये जगमगत आहे. चंद्रप्रकाशामुळे रस्त्यावर पडणाऱ्या उंदराचे डोळे व पंजे रुपेरी दिसत आहे. जवळच असलेल्या ओढ्याचे पाणी देखील चंद्रप्रकाशाच्या परावर्तनाने चंदेरी दिसत आहे. आणि केवळ पाणीच नव्हे तर पाण्यात झोपी गेलेले मासे, बाजूचे गवत सर्व काही रुपेरी झालेले आहे. चंद्राच्या प्रकाशाने प्रत्येक गोष्टीला स्पर्श झाल्याने सगळीकडचा अंधार जाऊन त्या जागी रुपेरी रंग त्या ठिकाणी भरला आहे. Central idea of the poem. The poem Silver describes the beauty of a full moon night. On a moonlit night, everything appears to be silvery in color. The poet wants to show how the richness of moonlight increases the beauty of the world. Thank you, student. We will meet soon in our next lecture. Our next lecture topic is 4.4, The Tempest, Part 1.